sometime, sometimes, and sometime. What are the differences among these three words? Let's talk about this in this very video. The first one, sometime. It means an unspecified time in the past or in the future. For example, you can say, I'd like to meet with you sometime in the future. Sometime in the future means we don't know the specific time, but maybe in the future, it could be at any time. Secondly, sometimes. It talks about the frequency. So maybe occasionally in the past or in the future. So you could say, I practiced English sometimes when I was studying at class 8 or 9 or university first year. Sometimes it talks about the frequency. And the third one, sometime. It's an amount of time, pretty much long. So you could say, if I want to solve this problem, then I need to think about this topic sometime. It means you need a specific amount of time for thinking about the problem. So sometime, sometimes, and sometime. Be careful about the uses of these three words in your writing and speaking. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.